The Union Cabinet has approved the 84,084 crore rupees Samudra Manthan National Offshore Exploration Scheme to boost domestic oil and gas production and reduce India's dependence on imports. The decision comes at a time when global energy supply chains remain under pressure following the Iran war. India currently imports nearly 88% of its crude oil, while disruptions around the Strait of Hormuz have also contributed to a fertilizer shortage. Under the new scheme, the government will provide financial support of up to 650 crore rupees per exploratory well drilled in deep water and ultra-deep water regions. The aim is to encourage oil and gas exploration in areas where drilling costs are extremely high and commercially risky. Of the total outlay, 43,200 crore rupees have been earmarked over the next 5 years till 2031 for deep water drilling. Another 10,000 crore rupees will be used to develop common infrastructure needed to bring new oil and gas discoveries into production. The cabinet has also approved 28,534 crore rupees for offshore data acquisition and 2,000 crore rupees to establish oil and gas manufacturing and service hubs. Drilling in ultra-deep water remains a costly exercise, with a single well costing between 950 crore rupees and 2,400 crore rupees at depths beyond 1,500 meters. Such projects carry environmental risk, and there is no certainty that commercially viable oil or gas reserves will be found.